There are things that you must do to avoid cakey makeup. There are things you must do to ensure that your makeup doesn't look cakey and your makeup looks as smooth as possible. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Guys, look at how beautiful I look. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid cakey makeup. So if you would like to learn how to prevent your makeup from looking like this, then keep on watching. The first thing you need to do if you want to avoid cakey makeup is moisturize your skin. Do not skip moisturizer. Whether you have oily or dry skin, combination skin, whatever type of skin you have, do not skip moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to prevent dry and flaky skin before you apply your makeup. And it also makes your makeup sink in really well and blend seamlessly. I mean, if your skin is moisturized, when you apply your foundation, your concealer, everything, it will just be melting together and just be flowing well. You will not experience that cakiness in your makeup. So I'm just going to be applying my Leon Ceramide R2 Concentrate Cream all over my face. When you apply your moisturizer and your skincare in general, make sure you let the skincare sit on your skin for at least 5 minutes before you go on to start applying your makeup, because when you just apply your moisturizer and you go straight onto your foundation, it's not always the best. It will start to mix together in ways that you might not really like. So when you apply your moisturizer, your sunscreen, just wait a bit before you proceed to applying your makeup. Trust me on this, guys, trust me. So guys, I went on to do my brows and my eyes off camera. Do you like my eye look? Should I do a tutorial for it? For the brows, I have a tutorial on my channel. I don't know if I'm going to post it before this video or after, but you guys should just watch out for that, the brow tutorial, if you like my brows. After moisturizing your skin, the next thing you need to do is apply your foundation. Now when you want to apply your foundation, you need to decide, do you want to use a beauty blender or a foundation brush? Me, I always recommend beginners to start out with beauty blenders, because you can never go wrong with a beauty blender. Even though you can never go wrong with a beauty blender, there are things you need to do to make sure your beauty blender works out the way you want it to be. You need to make sure you're using a clean beauty blender. If you use a beauty blender previously, yesterday, the day before yesterday, make sure you wash that beauty blender the next time you want to use it. So now, as you are following this makeup tutorial, go take some soap, use that, rub it on the beauty blender, wash off the excess foundation that was on the beauty blender. Because when your beauty blender has too much foundation, too much concealer, too much product in the beauty blender, you're basically using old foundation mixed with new foundation, and that is definitely going to make your makeup look cakey and it's not going to look smooth at all. So you need to avoid the build-up from your last makeup session. If not, your makeup is not going to look good. So always wash your beauty blender every time you want to use it, and also use a damp beauty blender. And if you want an extra little hack, use hot water or warm water to wash your beauty blender, and see how well your makeup will just be blending and how flawless it's going to be. The foundation you use for your makeup actually determines if you're going to have cakey makeup or not. So when you're applying your foundation, make sure you start small and build it up as you go. You don't want to be packing on so much foundation on your makeup. If not, your makeup will just be looking cakey. It will be looking too jiggy. So you need to stop packing on too much foundation, and also stop packing too much concealer on your face. Make sure you start small and build it up till you get the desired coverage. Don't be packing on makeup. And if you're not using the right type of foundation, your makeup is definitely going to look cakey and it's not going to look smooth at all. I'm going to use the Beauty by Edie foundation. So I'm going to take one pump. This foundation is full coverage, so a little goes a long way. So we'll start out small. Take one pump and spread it all over. You can see how well this foundation has covered my skin, and I didn't even have to use too much. Imagine if I had applied a lot of foundation, like 4 pumps of foundation on my face. Now going to pack on so much foundation on your face will definitely make the makeup look so muddy and ugly. So now I'm going to take another pump of the foundation because I want something full coverage. Now, this technique of starting small and building up as you go also applies for your concealer. When you're blending with your beauty blender, don't be scared to blend. Take your time. Really blend it into your skin so that there will be no lumps. I don't know the right word to use, but if you don't blend in your foundation well, it will start to roll up underneath your concealer and powder, and you do not want that. So you make sure that you're actually blending it, like beat your face, like, no, not that harsh, I'm just joking, but like, you know, take your time, make sure it's blending in really good. Now I'm going to go to my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now if you're a beginner, there's no reason why you should be applying concealer directly on your face. Apply it on the back of your hand or on a palette. Then take a brush and start to build it up small. Don't rush. If you're a beginner, do not rush your makeup. If not, you're not going to learn how to do makeup. But as you're getting better at doing your makeup, you can do your makeup really fast. Like you guys will see when I'm doing my makeup, I'll just apply the concealer directly because I'm a pro at it. Now all you just have to do, apply the concealer where you need it. So you see that I did not even have to use too much concealer because of the brush I used. If I had gone straight to my concealer, you would have noticed that I would have used way more concealer than I needed to. So start small, like build small. Now what I like to do is I like to leave the concealer to dry up a bit so that I will get more coverage. Only do so if you have a hydrating concealer. If your concealer is a matte concealer, don't even try it. Don't try it at all. Always start from the edge. Make sure the edge is well blended before you now go in like this. Next thing you need to do after applying your concealer, your contour, your blush, everything liquid, is set your face. Now do not set your face with a brush. Don't do that. Use a powder puff. So take your favorite setting powder. For me, I'll be using my Sasha Buttercup powder. Tap it on your hands first. Then make sure that underneath your eyes is creaseless. There are no creases, because whatever you set is what is going to be on your face forever, like throughout the day. So make sure you blend everything, no creases. Now you go in with your powder puff, press it. With this, you don't even need to bake. Even if you want to bake, you must not skip this step. Don't try it, guys. Sometimes I even have to ask you guys, do you even need to bake every day? You don't need to bake every day. With this step, you can always skip baking. And also, if you want to bake, you can always use the step first before baking. When you set your entire face with a powder puff, your makeup looks so smooth and it's going to look so airbrushed, and you're not going to regret it. So guys, here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned how to avoid cakey makeup. Now from now on, I don't want to see no cakey makeup in the streets. I want your makeup to be looking as smooth as possible. Even though you have acne or texture, your makeup should not be cakey. If you see anyone's makeup that is cakey, direct them to this video. Share it with your friends. Everyone that needs to learn this, share it to them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Mathildaduku. So guys, I want you to rate this look for me 1 to a 10. Let me know how I did in the comment section. I personally am obsessed with this look. I love it a lot. And if you love this look too, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 10K this year, and also give this video a thumbs up, and you know, support me. Leave a comment below what you think about this look, and if you have any video requests, leave it in the comment section below. Oh, before you go, you need to watch my videos, which I'm going to keep on the screen right here. I'm going to put my makeup playlist right here, and I'm going to put another video right here, so you don't want to miss it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.